Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Successnathaniel. So today I'll be guiding us on a platform that will pay us just by clicking on mail. So you just all you have to do in this platform just click on your mail and you get paid. So it's very easy, and I'll be taking us down straight to the site that will pay us much. So I'll look at the site. So all I have to do is just to click on to fill in my details. I'll put on my email and my password. Then I'll click on login. So I'll be dropping the link for this video to the description below. So just go to your description and click the link. So the name of this site is Volutic. So just click on the link, then it will take you to this site. Then you have to sign up and get your. So at this point you have to when you reach this point you have to fill in your security code as they require there. So I have to go to my email because they have sent me a code in my email. So I'll go to my email and grab my code. So when you're signing up, you don't have to verify your email by they'll send you a code in your email. Don't just go to your email and get the code. So that's just it. As you can see here, look at the Volutic here. So look at the code they have sent to me. I'll just copy it. When I copy it, I'll just go back to the site. And put it. When I put it, then I'll press on confirm. So I'll just paste the code. I'll click on confirm. Then it will now load to the page. I'll start working awesome. So that's how to go about it inside. Look at my page already. So I have account with them. So I've been like 0.00045 cents. So that's what I've earned so far. But I'll be showing us how to earn much more from this site, because this site actually pays. So just all you have to do is just to click on the email that will be sending to you, and that's all. So but this site, if you want to refer, look at your referral link. I'll just click on refer, and you can just copy your link and send to your friends and that want to join to this site. So look at withdrawal. So I'll be showing us the withdrawal, the minimum withdrawal required from this site, and that's the only thing here. So you click at this trader dashboard, you see your money. This money is where you can place withdraw also, and the home is where you're just coming from. So let's go straight to the how to earn money from this site. So what you have to do is just to go to your email. When you go to your email, because they keep sending email as many as possible. So all you have to do is just each time they send email, you go and click on it. Like this one, now look at Volutic here. Look at another one Volutic here. Look at another one Volutic here. So they send much email. That I'm always busy at times to go to do it. So I urge you to always check on it. Then when you click on the email like this, the next thing you have to do is also go to the blue link below it. Look at the blue link here. When you go to the blue link, just click on the blue link. The blue link will take you to an advert that you have to watch for some seconds. So what you have to do is just when it loads, you just allow it to count for 100%. So 100% will not take much to count. Just count for a few seconds. I can see now it's counting. We are in 12. We are in 20 something percent going now. So when it reach 100%, that means you have done viewing the email. So they'll just credit you just for doing so. So that's just the only thing you have to do in this site. Just clicking on mail and you'll be earning a whole lot of cash. So for details of this video, please just click the red subscribe button and share to your friends. Share this video to your friends also, and turn your notification bell to all. Please don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, it has reached the 100%. And when you reach the 100%, they have paid you, but you don't just rush to your site to see if they have paid you. You have to do something. That's why you have to watch this video to the very end. Once it reaches to 100%, you see what pops out here. They say click or touch the chair. So you now look on the icon there, which one is chair? I guess this is the chair here. So when you click on the chair, you click on send. When you click on send, you see okay, you have been credited successfully for this activity. That means you have been paid for this activity. So you have given like 15 cents for this ads if you just watch. That's just it. Once you've done like this, you'll be credited instantly. Okay, I'll go back to my to the site that I'll have to that you're working on. So when I go to the site now, you just let me go to home so that you'll be seeing the balance. Remember before we are having 40 something here, 45 cents here, but I can see now the price have increased to 60. So you have 60. Let me refresh it for you to see that it's 60. Look at it. The price is 60. Okay, I'll do another one so that you see you just note the price now. This 60 cents. So I'll do another one so you see that yes, it's actually paying. So I'll go to my email again, to my Gmail. This is my Gmail. I'll go back. So I've viewed this one. So so I'm not going to end again for this one. I'll just let me just remove it. Then look at that Volutic. There are many emails they have sent, so I can just go on and click on anyone. Let me just click on this one now. So when I click on this one, I'll go back to the blue link. So that's just the step. Click on the blue link that is below the email. Then it will now look for you for where it will count 1 to 100%. So once it's done counting, you are good to go. Look at it, it's counting. So please, as it's counting, please do hit the red subscribe button so that you get just hit the red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload video like this. So don't forget to share this video and like and give it a thumbs up. So please guys, just do that. Then it's counting now to 100%. Once it's done counting to 100%, then you have to just allow it to show you icon that you have to select. Look at it, it's done. So you say click or touch a t-shirt. Then now look at the icon, the image is here. You have a airplane, a boat, you have a t-shirt here. So I'll just click on that t-shirt now. You see, I'll click on send. When I click on send, see, okay, they have credited me also again, same amount you have been credited. So look at same amount. So I'll now go back to my app and show you the payment. So look at it. Okay, you have 60 cents here. So I'll now refresh this page now. You see that the money will just let's take it money just top up. So have you seen now? I've just refreshed the page and I'm seeing 75. That's what you'll be doing. So there are many numerous emails that will be sending for you to you. Just create chance, keep doing it the same way, and once you are doing it, your money is just increasing. So that's just it, and you can end up getting the minimum withdrawal that very day. So that means you can be withdrawing every single day. So I'll just click on withdrawal now. Let me show us how to withdraw. So when I click on the withdrawal, then you show how to withdraw. So look at withdrawal here. Look at my balance now. So I have 0.0075. So look at the minimum withdrawal 0.1. So once I hit this 0.1 dollar here, I'll just be able to withdraw. Look at the maximum you can withdraw $10. So and this the minimum withdrawal you can get it at the very day you sign into this account. So it's not something that you just have to develop time for. But one thing that you have to get a payer account. For you to get a payer account so that you can be able to withdraw your coin. So for the details, if you don't have a payer account or you don't know how to create a payer account, go to the comment box and comment how to create a payer account. Then I'll make a video for you how to create a payer account. But for easy step, you can just type payer.com. Then you see the process of creating a payer account. Yeah, so guys, that's just one of the very good steps in earning money online. So I'll be showing you the second site that works exactly like this, that can pay you much. So I will be showing you the second site. So just watch it to the very end because it's very awesome. You can be earning a lot from this site. Hello guys, so let's proceed to the second site that pays just by clicking me. So the name of the second site is click genie. So the name of the second site is click genie. So I'll just go ahead and put my email and my password. So for me to identify that I'm a human being, I have to click on boxes. So when I click on boxes, then okay, they start to click on walkway. So you can also see something like this when doing uploading logging in. You click on login. So when you click on login, you take you to the site. So at this site now, you see they'll send you a verification code each time you want to come in. So all the thing you have to do is just to go to your email and get your verification code. So I'll just go to my mail directly. I'll go to my Gmail and check on the code that they will send to me. Look at it, they have sent me the code already. So they say hello Successnathaniel. So Successnathaniel was the username I used here. So I'll just click on the code and copy the code directly. So when I copy the code, I'll just go straight to the site and paste it here. So this security code, I'll just paste the code, then I'll click on confirm. So when I click on confirm, it will take me to the page. But this resend here is if you do not see code, click on resend, they will resend you the code again. But since I've seen the code, I'll just click it and enter. So look at my dashboard now. So in my click genie, I don't have any amount here. So but they have sent me mail. So I'm going to my mail to click my mail and I will get paid. So it does work the same way the other site works. So it does the same. There's no more due. You have your referral link. You can deposit if you want to. Look at the withdrawal button here. You can click on it. So that's just the same thing. So what you also have to do now is just to go to the link. You can click these three options here to see further options here. Look at my main balance. Everything just 00. So let me just go check and do some tasks. So I'll go to my email too. They're sending you mail every single time. So just left for you to be clicking it and get. Look at click genie here. So I'll show you that click genie. Look at click genie here. So look at another one. So look at this one. The email they sent is more than the other one. Look at. So I'll just click on. Let us click on one of them. So let me just click on this one now. Say end up to two something dollars. So just click on it. Then you go straight down to the blue link below it and click on it also. So always remember the process. The same process with the first one. Same thing you have to do with this. So you have to allow it load for 100%. When it comes to 100%, then you start you click the image you ask you to click. As you can see, it's loading to 100%, which is it's in 29:30 towards going to 100% now. So that's just how the thing goes. And please don't forget hitting the subscription, the red subscribe button in this video. Just click on it and share this video and give this video a thumbs up, because if you give it a thumbs up, it will make people see this video and see the same value which you are getting from this video. So please don't forget to do that. All right, the thing I just hit 100%. So they will now ask me to, okay, this site you are telling me that I have to identify that I'm not a robot. Look at, I'm not a robot. So I'll click on this box. When I click on this box now, I'll identify that I'm not a robot. So they ask me to check on boxes, which I'll just click now, and so I'm just doing, I'll just click on verify. So they might ask you to do the same thing or a different thing. So when the mark tick good, you just click on send. So when you click on send, it now load. That means, okay, you see I've been credited. Look at the total amount I've credited, and this one pays more higher than the other one. Look at, I've credited 0.00 100,200 cents. So just by doing so I'll be credited already. So I will now go straight to my app, to the site which I'm working on. When I go straight to the site now, okay, everything is in still 00, so I have to refresh my page. So when you come, I don't say just refresh your page, you see automatically I've been credited also. So I'll be doing as many of these tasks as possible. So let me just go again and do the second one before I end this video. So you see, yes, it's paying. It's not magic. So you just have to follow the same step. So this is my email I'm into now. I'll go and look on another email that they are sent to me. So when I look on that mail, okay, see paying inquiry, I'll just click on this one. So when I come to, I'll go to the blue link below it. So that's just the simple way. Go to just clicking on mails. You can click on thousands of mails each day, because they are willing to be sending mails for you. You only just to be clicking on it, and clicking on it is not taking you time. Yes, within 30 seconds it's done counting, and you're done any your cash, your cool cash. So and you click on withdraw when you reach the minimum withdrawal. So the next I will do after getting this one, it's also to show you your minimum withdrawal, and that's it. So guys, don't forget to share this video. It's very important. Share this video to your friends so that they will come and get the same value which you are getting. All right, so it's 100%. So it will take me to another place. I have to show that I'm not a robot. So this one always show that I'm not a robot, while the other one will show you item to click. So this site is click genie. So now let's have to click the fire hydrate. So I'll just tap on this fire hydrate. So when I do that, I'll just click on next. So when I click on next, they say okay, I should choose on walkway. So I'll just choose on walkway and click on next also. So as you can see, it has marked good. I will now aim my coins. Look at the same amount have been sent again. So that's just the simple way about it. Then I'll now go straight to my account to show you that there's increment. Look at the initial amount I have. So I'll just refresh my account. When I refresh my account, you see there's a top up in my account now. So guys, that's just simple way about it. The two platforms are just in the same process. So it's my referral link. I can copy it and share to anybody I want to. So let me just show you the minimum withdrawal. The withdrawal is not hard. Just create just create an account with them. So I'll tell you if you don't know how to create an account, so you let me know. I'll show you how to create an account with them. So that's just it. There's no big deal about it. So guys, don't forget to share this video to your friends and subscribe to this channel. So thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much.